filter reviews, hit the subscribe button.
What's up guys, this is Nick. Today we're going to be talking about the Homax popcorn ceiling scraper. So I have an old house and it has this crappy popcorn ceiling on it. So basically what we do is we spray it with just water in a spray bottle, and then we use this to scrape it off.
This allows you to attach a bag.
And as you can see in the bag, I mean, it catches most of that crap. So super helpful. It was pretty inexpensive, and let me show you how it's done.
This next step, you can take any garden sprayer that you can buy at Home Depot or hardware stores. You want the popcorn ceiling to get really wet. The wetter, the better. And you want it to sit for like 5 minutes. This moistens it up and allows you to scrape it off much easier. In addition to this, you don't get as much dust. I do recommend wearing a respirator because some of the older popcorn ceiling may have asbestos in it. But you want to just get this wet so there's little to no dust. As you can see, it's coming off really easily. I got this really moist and let it set. And if you have an issue where it's not coming off easily, respray it in that area and let it sit again. You can keep repeating these steps until you complete this, and basically what happens is you get a smooth surface, and it's almost like the ceiling is textured after that. So you just need to do some heavy coats of paint or texture again on top of it, and it comes out with really good results. I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe, and please look in the description